As part of my Switzerland journey, I traveled using the Swiss Travel Pass, one of the easiest ways to explore the country by train. One of the highlights was the GoldenPass Panoramic Train, a scenic route connecting Montreux and Interlaken. Known for its wide windows and breathtaking alpine views. This part of the journey is less about rushing and more about watching Switzerland slowly unfold. The GoldenPass Panoramic Train offers uninterrupted views of lakes, vineyards, traditional Swiss villages, and mountain landscapes. As the train leaves Montreux, the scenery gradually changes, from Lake Geneva's calm waters to rolling hills, forests, and dramatic alpine peaks. It's the kind of journey where you don't need to do anything. Just sit, watch, and let the landscape pass by. Interlaken sits between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, surrounded by some of the most iconic mountains in Switzerland. The town itself feels peaceful and open, with wide streets, wooden chalets, and views that seem to appear in every direction. Even without planning much, Interlaken invites you to slow down. Interlaken isn't about ticking off attractions. It's about walking slowly, watching the river, feeling the mountains around you, and enjoying the quiet moments in between. This journey, from Montreux to Interlaken, was one of those experiences that stays with you long after the train ride ends. Höhematte Park is one of the best places to experience Interlaken's scenery. This wide green park opens directly onto views of the surrounding mountains, including Jungfrau, Mönch, and Eiger on clear days. People come here to sit, walk, or simply watch the paragliders land against the mountain backdrop. It's a reminder that in Switzerland, nature is never far away. Interlaken isn't about ticking off attractions. It's about walking slowly, watching the river, feeling the mountains around you, and enjoying the quiet moments in between. This journey, from Montreux to Interlaken, was one of those experiences that stays with you long after the train ride ends. Until next time, travel smarter.